Hello friends, today I am with a new video that is related to video conference. So let us start. Already I have made for the laptop. Now we are going for the mobile phone. So let us see free conference call. As you will click, you will see over here free conference call is here. Install it. This is very good app, right? Because in that 1000 participants can be joined over here, and you all have seen my videos. If you have not seen, you can see on other videos also which are related to video conference apps. Many of the apps I have shown over there, the tutorials. Like, it is taking time. You know that yes, free conference call. For that the benefit is 1000 participants can be joined over here. Then the another thing that you can log the meeting if you don't want that after that time nobody can enter over there. Okay, so this is about the free conference call. So let us start. As now you can see that it has been installed, click on open. As you will click on open, it will ask you get started. Yes, welcome, get started. If you want to join the meeting, anyone is scheduled for you, then you can join the meeting. Okay, but if you are a host, then you can go for the host over here. You can log in or you can create the account. Like I have already created, so I will not go for it. Create my free account, or you can go with the Facebook. Okay, I already have it, so I will log in with that. Now you can see that I have logged in with my account. Okay, now I'm an host, so what I can do, I can invite people. So click on invite now, or you can schedule it also. If you want to schedule, you can go by schedule. In that it will ask you for the calendar. Okay, so you can go with the calendars, you can give the title and everything, right? So here you can go with the calendar. Now invite now. So as you will click on invite, you can share it by the WhatsApp or any way, Telegram or any of the way. Okay, I'll just click on host, right? You can join the link also which you have shared with the participants. Okay, then click on here, you have to click on calling using Wi-Fi or data. Click on allow. Okay, and after that here you can listen, a music will come over here.
Welcome and thank you for choosing freeconferencecall.com. You're helping people around the world communicate for free. You are the only participant in the conference.
Okay, here you will see that many of the people, if they have joined, so you can see as a participants over here. Here we are having the option of chat. When you will click on chat, you can chat with people. Okay, even with the emojis over here, right? Then I don't have the participants now. Okay, next is over here that the people, when you will click on people over here, we have many of the options. Like, first of all, the mode. Here, as I have explained you at the first, only mute off means you want to unmute everyone. Mute all means everyone will be muted, so they can unmute themselves by themselves. But yes, instead of wasting time in muting everyone, we can mute all together. And the another one is lecture mode. In that only you are going to, the host is only going to give the lecture. Okay, next is over here to lock. As I have told you that lock means what, that the other participants cannot enter while you have while you are teaching at that time. Here it is Q&A, that is question answers. Like, you have completed the lecture and afterwards you want to have a question answers round. Yes, you can go with the question answers. Okay, now I'm going back to this. You can see active speakers over here, and you can see here all. Okay, now I can go back. Here you can see that this is to mute and unmute myself. Okay, then this is for the video, this is for recording. Yes, you can record your lecture. Okay, then here you can see the option of sharing the screen. yes, switch to phone, disconnect audio and this all, but the main important is the start screen sharing. So as you will start the screen sharing, it will tell you that whatever you are having, the sensitive information that must not be there at that time when you are doing a screen sharing, so please keep it in mind. So click on start now. As I was clicking on start now, I'm going with the image. Okay, I'm going with the image, and that you can see over here the annotations are given, right? So on annotations, when you will click here, it will come like an arrow. You can change the color, you can change the color of the arrow. Okay, if you want to change it to a pencil, yes, you can select the area. Okay, this is about the image. Even the videos you can share and you can have an annotations. Okay, so this is about it. Now I'm going to stop the sharing. I'm back to this part. Okay, when you are on the lecture mode and anyone want to ask it, then they can go to this thumb, and here there are the options like raise hand. Even you can see that you can ask to the students can listen, the participants can listen, so you can go for like, dislike. The participants can raise hand also if they are having any doubt, they agree to our whatever we are saying. Okay, so they can send the emojis to us. If they are having queries, then they can raise hand also, which you will see over here, right? So like here, when the raise hand will be there by the participants, you will see your raise hand, and you can click on it, so the participants you can see who has raised the hand. Okay, and you can also solve their queries if they are having any queries. Okay, so this is about free conference call. And at the last, yes, when you want to leave the meeting, this is the arrow where you are clicking, and your meeting is ended, and now you are back to your main home place of free conference call. Hope you all have liked it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.